Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a landing page on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your admin panel and go to online store and select pages and click on add page, and now give the page title landing page. And now you have to enter here your page content. You can add image, video, table, and after adding the content, click on visible and you can select theme from here and click on save. So here you can see the landing page has been added. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.